Ayan, so ito yung aming bagong Nintendo Switch 2. We'll unbox it today. Ano ang mga laman nito? Let's see. Okay, so ano yan? Is that the main console? Okay, open. It looks good.
Big size, huh?
Back, the back. So, goodbye Switch 1. So what else? Okay, so that's the left controller. That's good. The right controller. Okay. Code. That's a digital code.
Yep.
Okay. And then HDMI cable, the standard. What's that? Just the
grip.
Okay. You have that sa yung Switch 1.
Yeah, but this one's for the Switch 2.
Okay.
Magnetic.
Yeah, that's good. Power supply.
Cable.
And then that's a docking station. Okay, pretty nice. USB-C.
Yep.
The back side. Okay, looks good. Okay, so nandun yung
And the Ethernet.
Okay, that's the end of our unboxing.